Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. Hope you guys are doing super duper awesome. So recently what happened is a client of mine called me and told me, Kaustubh, this particular stock has gone up 70% in the last 1 year. Should we buy more of it, or rather should we buy it? Will it give 70% returns again next year? Similarly, again a client asked me, this particular mutual fund scheme has given 40% returns in the last 1 year. Should we invest in this scheme because it is performing so well? Will it again give 40% returns next year? So here there is something important that we have to understand, that we all show certain biases. What are these biases exactly? So in behavioral finance, there is a concept of biases where we make certain decisions where we are prejudicial towards certain decisions, or we develop certain opinions because of which we make decisions which may not be the best and the most fair and the right and right for our financial portfolio. Now, what is recency bias? Recency bias is the exact same thing where which story I talked about, or the example that I gave, that we make decisions based on recent events, or we consider the recent events and we extrapolate it to the future that same hone wala hai aage. For instance, if the market is doing very well in the last 1 year, stock markets are doing fabulous, we think that stock markets will continue to do fabulous in the next 1 or 2 years also. Or let us check a very simple example, gold. Now gold in 2019 to 20 was doing very good, so people thought it will continue to do well in future, but they forget that between 2012 to 2019 gold gave stagnating returns, or the prices were stagnating and they didn't give very good returns. So this is about recency bias. Now you have to understand that there are assets that work only in the long term. So how do you take care of this bias? By understanding various assets, by how they work. हर एक asset का एक अपना फितरत होता है, वो समझो कि वो कैसे exactly काम करता है, and then make decisions. So if we show recency bias, then we will end up making suboptimal decisions by buying, say, the next hot investment. If cryptocurrencies are doing well, or if particular stocks are doing well, we may buy them. Or if the reverse is happening, that if the markets were going down like it happened in 2020, we might sell those stocks considering कि market वापस कभी ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, but eventually we know that in the long run markets go up. So making certain decisions that we think will do very well in the short term and which actually impacts and harms your portfolio in the long run. So that is recency bias. Understanding it and taking care of it is very important. So the best thing that you can do is to ensure that you have a financial advisor that can help you understand this, that can help you understand various assets and take the best portfolio decision for your long-term financial goals. Thank you so much, everyone. This was about recency bias.